Yeah, I feel like people are waking up. And I'm getting thinner and thinner and thinner, not physically, thinner and thinner and thinner. And I don't know. I guess what I find is it's a privilege to be with people and to have this conversation or this transmission. And that's what I find. And if somebody benefits, if they don't, they'll find their way. I just get thinner and thinner in explanation. Like today, I usually don't go into the circle with an idea, but I go in today with an idea that one of the teachings is this: when will you acknowledge what you have come to acknowledge? You've heard this for years. When will you say, yes? So that's something that has kind of added itself to the conversation. It's how many times do you need to be told? If you're told that there's a very unusual scene down on the beach, these people are doing some very unusual things, everybody runs down, they have the experience, and they go home. But people want to be told again and again and again, you are that, you are the self-nature of all things. And these are important terms. I thank God for anybody who's offering this kind of recognition, this remembrance. But when will the person who comes resolve that what they are being told is so? Nisargadatta did it immediately when his guru said, you are Parabrahma. This is a portal, my master's giving me something. I have to own this. That's all he said. You're higher than the highest. Nisargadatta said, yes, now let it show me what that means. Huh? And I think that enlightened experiences are wonderful, but I feel that people wait for something and then they expect something. And my view is you have really to say to yourself, I have heard this for years and now it's time for me to say, yes. Lao Tzu says the way to the Tao is the way of the Tao is acceptance. So denial is not okay. It's probably the worst continuance of spiritual practices to deny one's self-nature. So stop it. Yeah.